Okay guys, here's my new milling machine. My new lathe is right here. I'm gonna put them both on this one table. And I got this table I put wheels on the other day. My first job is I'm gonna ream one of my plastic parts for a new robot I'm making. I gotta ream these holes out. And let me turn it on for just a second. Fire it up for you. There we go. Looks like I'm having fun. It ain't very big. I know it looks kind of big in this video, but it's not big at all. It's, I don't know, let's see. The table, the X on the table this way is 16 inches. So that'll tell you something. All right, have a good day, guys.